There's nothing good on TV.
Do you like pigs? No, you don't. But I do. So with my new product, the pig pillow. Stop laughing. This is a commercial. Okay.
Adam's laughing.
This pig pillow will revolutionize business forever. Buy it now. Pig pillow. Yeah. Woo. You can even sit on it. Stop the commercial.
We interrupt this important news to bring you more important news about the important news in San Francisco. This is very important because the San Francisco city is very important. Because go San Francisco 49ers! Woo! And by the way, too bad they got conquered by the dogs. They're ranked the lowest. Okay, now to bring you the important news. The dogs are taking over the city!
Memory Lane, a peaceful place. Or so you'd think.
It's a puppy! I'm going to pet it! Oh, I bit my hand off! Oh man, now here goes my hand. I'm gonna knock some sense into you. Seriously, my head. Oh! Whoa! Oh man! What in the world? Oh! Show me a picture of a dog.
Look at that dog.
That was cute. Oh, it's another picture of a dog. And it's 3D. That's cool. What happened to you? Dog ate head and arm. And that's not a picture of a dog. That's a real dog. I figured that out by now.
The dog infestation is coming. First, they nibble your toes. And then, they pounce on your face. And then, they go for your vital organs. But then, they finish you off. And then, they repeat it. They nibble your toes. They pounce on your face. They go for your vital organs. And they finish you off. But nobody stands in their way.
Oh, these dogs just keep on coming. Get away, dog.
Sup, dude?
Who are you?
I'm the guy from, like you see for the commercials, like pig pillow. So it's not like really. It's not a pig or a turtle or a pillow. Turtle stool, like totally.
Yeah,
Awesome,
yep.
Like, tricked you.
Are you?
Anyways, that baby guy, like me, he's like episode 1 and 2. He like told me to like help you, but I'm going to the spectating.
Hey, can you give me a little help?
Yeah, you know episode 1 and 2. I wasn't in it. Not for the hero thing.
Really? Because I could really use some help.
Fine. Can I at least have a sword?
Right there.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Fine. Stop. That's useless. Can I use your sword?
If I'm dying, do you think that you can use it?
No.
Fine, use it.
Yeah.
Murderer!
Hey, you would have done the same thing.
No, I I wouldn't.
Yes, you would.
I would just hit him away to the person that's throwing him at me.
That's a dog.
Oh, the dogs are catapulting themselves at each other?
Oh, I'm gonna let this one get away.
Why would you let it get away?
Because I can't.
Oh, for unexpected hero 4. Okay.
4.5.
4.5.
Dead. There, game over.
Thanks a lot.